Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to see private account on Instagram. But first, check out our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to see someone's account, like let's just say someone actually made their account private and you want to check how they're doing, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, Instagram here, the platform itself is a secure platform. Now, if you make your account private, well, people will have a hard time accessing your account unless you provide access to them or you let them follow you. So that's why privating account is a good thing, and also some people actually are curious about it. Now, the thing with this one is a lot of services actually offer what we call checking or seeing what's inside private accounts. But the thing with those services is most likely those services will be kind of dangerous. Now, there's a possibility of them stealing your information and making it unsafe, especially if your phone is some contains some sensitive information, banking details, personal information. Well, you may want to avoid those services. So what's the legit way for you to access or at least check someone's account here? Well, the best thing that you could try doing here is to create an account. And from then on, you want to set up a few things here and so that you could start following them. So first things first, you want to go to Instagram here. You want to go to your profile. In your profile section here, click on the drop down icon you see at the very top of your username. And you want to go ahead and just click on add Instagram account. Now, in here, you want to go and just click on create new account. And you want to go and just fill out the necessary information. So first is you want to create a username here. You can go and click on next here if you want to use that. And from then on, you could go ahead and basically read a few things here if you want to allow and continue here, or use your mobile number or email address. So in this case, you can go and just click on allow and continue if you want to use that. And from here, you want to agree to Instagram's terms and policies. You want to click on I agree and just wait for a while here. Now, typically, in order for you to start following someone and possibly get access on their private account, well, you may need to set this up, like adding a profile picture, maybe following a few people that the person actually also know as well, and even like setting a few things like your details, a name, or even like posting a few things before actually requesting them or requesting or sending a request to follow them. So in this case, you're going to add your picture, click on add picture here, provide your photo if you want. And from then on, you go and just customize this, click on next, and basically set up your account here. Now, once you do have set this up, like providing photos, posting a few things, adding some stories here, well, you should be able to complete your profile. Now, like what I said, it's very important that you actually complete your profile, especially the profile photo here, and posting a few things before requesting to follow a private account. Because, like what I said, this is the only thing or the only thing that we could do right now with Instagram, because again, Instagram is quite sensitive with hacking or providing or getting access to private accounts. So that's why we're doing this way. So yeah, in here you want to go to your profile, add your name, your bio. You can go and click on edit profile here, provide the necessary details, and also again, like what I said, start following people, or maybe like receive a few followers, and also post a few things here first before requesting access to the account that you want to check, or the private account that you want to check here. So yeah, currently this is the only way for you to possibly get access on someone's private account. And again, like what I said, try avoiding or do not use services or unverified services here that says that you can see private accounts. Most likely they are just trying to hack you or even get access to your information or your accounts here. So you don't want to get hacked here. So remember, always be safe. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.